Managing personal finances in 2026 is not easy. Between streaming platforms, apps, memberships, rising prices, and automatic renewals, many people lose track of their money without even noticing. That's exactly the problem Rocket Money claims to solve. But does it really help, or is it just another finance app with good marketing?
Rocket Money is a personal finance app designed to help you understand where your money goes every month. Once you connect your bank accounts and credit cards, the app automatically analyzes your transactions and organizes your expenses in a clear and simple way. One of the main features Rocket Money is known for is subscription tracking. Many people don't realize how many subscriptions they're paying for until they see them all listed in one place. Rocket Money identifies recurring charges and shows you how much they cost monthly and yearly. This alone can be eye-opening for many users. Another important feature is subscription management. Rocket Money helps you cancel subscriptions you no longer want. Instead of searching through confusing websites or dealing with customer support, the app simplifies the process. While it doesn't work automatically for every service, it still saves time and reduces friction. Rocket Money also offers budgeting tools. You can set monthly spending limits for different categories like food, entertainment, or shopping. The app tracks your progress and helps you stay aware of your habits without overwhelming you with complex charts or financial jargon. In addition to budgeting, Rocket Money includes basic savings features. You can set savings goals and monitor your progress over time. This is especially useful for people who want structure but don't want to manage spreadsheets or advanced finance apps. The interface is one of Rocket Money's biggest strengths. Everything is designed to be simple, clean, and easy to understand. Even users with no financial background can navigate the app comfortably, which makes it appealing to beginners. However, Rocket Money is not perfect. To work properly, it requires access to your financial accounts, which may be a concern for users who value privacy. While the app uses standard security practices, some people simply prefer not to link their accounts. Another downside is that some features require a paid plan. While the free version is useful, advanced tools like premium budgeting and negotiation services are locked behind a subscription. For users with simple finances, this may not feel necessary. So, is Rocket Money worth it in 2026? If you have multiple subscriptions, struggle to track expenses, or want a clear and simple overview of your finances, Rocket Money can be a valuable tool. It's especially helpful for people who want awareness and control without complexity. If you already track everything manually or prefer full control over your finances, Rocket Money may feel limited. It's not designed to replace deep financial planning, but rather to simplify everyday money management. In conclusion, Rocket Money is not a magic solution, but it does what it promises. It helps you see your money clearly, avoid unnecessary expenses, and stay organized. Used correctly, it can make managing your finances much easier in 2026. If this review helped you, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and comment your experience with Rocket Money or similar apps.